Hello, welcome to today's Assistive Technology update from Missouri Assistive Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to build an iPad stand out of PVC pipe. It's a pretty standard design. I use 1/2-inch PVC pipe and the lengths are here at 4 1/4, 2 pieces at 3 3/4, 1 piece at 2 3/8 inch, and 4 pieces at 1 5/8 inch. The connections needed are 4 T push fittings and 4 90-degree elbow push fittings. Alright, so this is pretty easy to assemble. I'm going to do that right now. The one thing is these little pieces, after they're put in, they are a little bit difficult to just pull out. But with this stand, you can pretty easily take it with you anywhere you go. Another thing I really like about this stand is that if any piece breaks for any reason, you can just replace the piece. It's durable, it'll withstand drops, and again, if anything does break on it, you just replace the piece. Alright. And these push fittings are just what they say, you just push them in. I use a ratcheting type PVC cutter. Anyone can do it. It's pretty straightforward. And then that's all the pieces. Let's get an iPad on there. And when you're done, when you have it where you want it, you just push it really tight, and then it'll stay. But you can always just pull it apart as needed. Oh, and when it's together, it will fold flat, so you can put it right in the backpack or something like that. This angle is adjustable. These pop up to hold the iPad, just like so. I mean, with that not pushed tight, I can put my iPad in there, but when it's pushed tight, you can just put it in there. You can change that angle. Holds it pretty nicely. And that is the iPad stand out of PVC pipe.